This cast iron Dutch oven bread loaf pan was kindly sent to me so I could review it for you guys. And I have never made bread from scratch before in my life. So I felt a little bit intimidated, but my daughter and I both wanted to try making bread from scratch. It just sounded fun. So I would eventually like to try a sourdough, but this time we did just a regular white bread, and then we used high fiber flour. So Pro Chef will provide really good directions, and they were even easy for me to follow, and I am not a baker and I live in high altitudes. Basically what they'll do is at first you'll mix your ingredients together. So your salt, your flour, I use like an instant active yeast. And then once you have that mixed together, you're gonna let it ferment for a little bit. We cover the bowl with a plastic wrap, and then we put it somewhere. It helps if you can put it somewhere kind of warm. We don't really have anywhere great to put it, so we just put it in the kitchen. And a few hours later, lo and behold, you could tell it looks like it has like a little bit of jelly-like. You can see little bubbles on the top. So that's when we knew it was ready. Then they will have you put, because this is cast iron, I believe when everything's an even temperature, it helps everything bake or cook better exactly how you want it. You're gonna wanna preheat your oven to 450 and put this cast iron pan in by itself for 30 minutes before putting your dough inside. So this is what it looks like. Very easily comes right on this. Our bread pan is preheating in the oven. We are now scoring it, and this is important because it really determines how your dough will rise, and it looks pretty too. Next, we just put the bread dough directly in the loaf pan. We baked it for 45 minutes at 450 degrees. This is our finished product, and I can't believe how good it turned out. It was way easier than I expected it to be.